Hello everyone, it's Wilson here and a warm welcome back to my channel. So you probably remember, if you watched my previous video, which I put in the link above and in the description below, I did a Squib upgrade recently, whereby I upgraded the old style Squib, as shown here, with the old indicators, to the new style one with the updated design with the indicator at the top and the cruise control stalk at the bottom. Now, if you remember, I fitted everything and the steering wheel buttons didn't work. Everything else worked, but not the steering wheel buttons. Now, today I've got an update. So from my research and from my help from another subscriber, I managed to source what I think is the correct contact plate. So the contact plate you'll need is this one shown here. Part number, if you can see it, but I'll put it in the description below, is A for Alpha 166 464 0417. Now, apparently this contact plate would only work with a non-lane assist model. So mine hasn't got lane assist, so it hasn't got the extra button for it. If you've got lane assist, you require a different one. Again, I will put that in the description below. Hopefully, so I'm going to fit this with my onto my steering wheel and fit the new style Squib, which I have here, and then hopefully see what happens. So I won't show you the whole process of how to remove it because that's shown in the previous video. You can watch that, but I will show you how to fit this. With the airbag removed, you need a T20 Torx driver, so the star bit. Take these 3 screws out.
A few moments later.
Okay, so I've temporarily installed it into the into my dash. So new Squib, as you can see, new contact plate. I've not fitted everything yet. So right, let's turn her on and see what happens. Fingers crossed. Ignore the airbag fault. I'll clear that later because obviously I've not got any airbags in there at the moment. Right, moment of truth. Right, let's hit the button. Yes, success at last. I finally conquered it. I'm so happy with that. It's taken me time and money to figure that out, but yeah. So anyone wants to upgrade to the new style Squib indicator stalk, you need this contact plate for if you've got a 2011 SLK. One thing you have to do, I'm not sure if I have to do it yet, but one of my subscribers mentioned that when he fitted the Squib, he was getting all sorts of errors, ESP wasn't working, etc., all related to the steering angle sensor of the Squib. Now, I've not got that error yet, but I might do when I go for a drive. Now, if you do get that error, you need to calibrate the steering angle sensor. Now, the way to do it is to turn the steering wheel fully end-to-end lock, so all the way, and then do it the other way. Do it a few times, so the end stop, and then that should clear the errors on your dash. Hope you all found this video useful. So for all those SLK owners, 2011 model with the old style Squib, you know what to do now. So do me a favour, give me a like, subscribe, so you'll get updated future videos of this nature. Thanks for watching everybody, see you again soon, bye bye.